In the early 19th century, the United States was rapidly expanding westward. The discovery of gold on Cherokee land in Georgia and the agricultural potential of southeastern lands made these areas highly desirable. President Andrew Jackson, a staunch advocate for westward expansion, signed the Indian Removal Act in 1830, which authorized the forced relocation of Native American tribes. There were 5 major tribes, known as the 5 civilized tribes: the Cherokee, Chickasaw, Choctaw, Creek, and Seminole. These tribes had rich cultures, with their own languages, governments, and ways of life. They had also adopted many European American customs and tried to coexist peacefully with their neighbors. Despite legal efforts, including a notable Supreme Court victory for the Cherokee in Worcester versus Georgia, the U.S. government proceeded with removal. Between 1830 and 1850, thousands of Native Americans were forcibly marched from their homelands in the southeastern United States to designated Indian Territory west of the Mississippi River, primarily in present-day Oklahoma. The journeys were brutal and poorly managed. The tribes were often given little time to prepare, forced to leave behind their homes, possessions, and sacred sites. The routes they traveled were fraught with harsh weather, disease, and inadequate supplies. It is estimated that approximately 4,000 Cherokee died due to starvation, exposure, and disease during the 200-mile journey, earning the path the name Trail of Tears. The Trail of Tears left a lasting scar on Native American communities, but also demonstrated their resilience. Despite the immense suffering, the tribes rebuilt their lives in the new territories. They established schools, governments, and communities, keeping their cultural identities and continuing to fight for their rights and recognition. This is a prime example to remember and learn from, so that it is not repeated. Please like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.